We are at Fufu Kawaguchiko. Lake Kawaguchi is one of the 5 lakes near the Mount Fuji region. So this hotel is close by. And Fufu is a relatively new property. Although they do have several hotels throughout, very nice luxury properties. Anyways, this is the luxury premium suite number 408. Here's the entrance area. And a pretty long hallway here. To the right is the guest bathroom, or just a secondary one. Here is kind of a place to hang your clothes. They also supply you with a uniform which you wear when you're lounging around or dining in the property or whatever you want to do. It's kind of the uniform for this property. Over here to the left is the bedroom. Very airy and glassy. It can be separated both visually and in terms of sound from the living room with curtains. So over here, let's walk over here. This is the living room. So there's a sweeping balcony. This room's on the 4th floor, room 408. There's the minibar. Really nice collection of scotch and Japanese whiskey. There's also a mask because it's COVID-19. That's just ours. And then there's a minibar, coffee and tea. TV over here. Now the calling card of this property is the view of Mount Fuji. Kazu, ちょっと開けて。Kazu-san. Alright, she's not around. I will try to open it with one hand. Mission accomplished. So let's walk out to the deck. Very nice deck. Kind of a very earthy tone here. But so let's sit here for a second. We will zoom. I'm hand holding a Nikon mirrorless camera, so I don't know how well we can see. Yes, we can see. Yep. There is Mount Fuji. That's the view from here. That's Kawaguchi, Lake Kawaguchi, or Kawaguchi-ko in Japanese. In the front. It's fall foliage season, so those are momiji, or maple leaves. Very nice. So that's what you see from the room. go back inside. Anyways, you can see that it's a very earthy decor. So modern, but exudes a good sense of warmth. So as we walk over here, so this is the bathroom. Again, with a very nice view of Mount Fuji. This is the second toilet near the shower. And the tub. That's the indoor one. And then there's an outdoor. Open air bath. I don't know how to open this. Ah, here we go. Always nice to have outside breeze while you warm up in a natural hot springs bath. So again, this is the balcony over here. And one more thing, and I'm exploring with you while I show this because we just checked in. I'm trying to get this before it gets too dark. So this is looks like this is a sauna room. Yep. So they have the sauna wear. Yep. You can add water to heat it up. So really this suite is really a good place to just do nothing and relax and enjoy the view of Mount Fuji if you so desire. Anyways, the luxury premium suite at Fufu Kawaguchiko near Mount Fuji in Japan.